Hello guys, here we have a screen. It's a laptop screen. So the issue here, when I plug in the screen on a laptop, we get a dim display. I changed the screen. I used another screen. I thought maybe the issue was coming from the laptop or from the cable, but I was wrong. The issue here was coming from the screen. The screen itself is faulty. Okay, anyway, I want to show you how you can fix a screen, how you can repair a laptop screen step by step. There we have a fuse. Okay, I hope you can hear a beep sound. It means there is a continuity from this point to this point. All right, normally you check for a fuse, and then you come here, check for shorts. There's no shorts. I believe this is a data line section. Right there we have an LVDS connector. You do a physical inspection. You check there, you check the 19 volts. Here this is the 19 volts. All right, there is no issue there on the 19 volts. What you do is you connect one probe to ground. How do you do it? Connect one probe here, and then you touch it here. You check for shorts. There is no shorts. What about here? There's no short. Okay, there's no shorts. There is no short at all. But what I can notice is the fuse here is broken. I hope you can see the fuse here. It's broken. The fuse is broken here. There is no continuity at all. All right. Okay, so there is no continuity here. The fuse is broken. And one more thing, there is no short on the fuse. There's no short at all. All right, let's do a physical inspection. What do we know about the fuse? The fuse can be broken if there is a short to ground somewhere. All right. Okay, here we are. We have to check this these capacitors for a short. Let me cut here, let me cut this here. Can even start from here. Cut this and then cut this. We have to cut this, cut this until there. Okay, now we can check. All right, let's do a physical inspection here first. Okay, the chip seems fine. All right, you can see those peak. Okay, even here there's no shorts. The chips they seem to be fine. Let's go back. Okay, so what you do, you start from here. These big capacitors, the ceramic capacitors, I'm pretty sure they are the 19 volts. Let's check for short. They are not shorted. Let's check. Okay, there's a reading. Let's reverse. All right, it seems fine. What is there? It's there. I think this is a coil. Yeah, this is an inductor. All right, let's check here. Okay, let's check for short there on the inductor. No shorts. All right. Let's check here for short. You touch one probe to ground and then you touch it there. No shorts. Let's check the diode for shorts. No shorts. Let's reverse the probe. No shorts. Let's check this capacitors for shorts. No shorts. What about this one? There is no shorts. Okay, let's move on. Let's check this diode. There's no shorts. Let's reverse. Okay, this diode is reading on both sides. I don't think it's working. It seems to be blown. All right, anyway, let's move on. Let's check this. No short. Oh wait, okay, wait, hold on. All right, so there's a short, there's a short, there's a short. Okay, maybe the short is coming from this chip, directly from this chip. As you can see, it seems to be blowing. All right. Okay. So here, what do we do? Let's remove. Okay, here, let's remove those capacitors and then test them one by one. Okay, you have to be careful there. Why? It's because the string is connected, so you have to be very careful. Let me use my other tweezers. All right. Now let's check. Okay, here we go. We have those three ceramic capacitors. Let's test them for short one by one. Okay, this is shorted. All right, there's a short on this one. Let me check. Okay, this is shorted. And then let's check this too. Let's check this one. No short. All right, there's no short. What about this? Okay, these two are fine. There's no shorts. It means the short was coming from that capacitor. Okay, the board can work without that capacitor right there. So now it's up to me whether I want to replace back those capacitors or not. But believe me, the board will do very well without that capacitor. Let's check for shorts one more time. No shorts, no shorts, no. This is round obvious, but here no. Okay, we can try to put them back, or otherwise we can leave them out. Let me try to put them back. But again, I don't want to ban anything. Guys, please. I don't want to ban anything. Okay, one went in. Okay, guys, you remember this fuse here? It was broken, right? We need to remove this broken fuse. Let's go ahead. Okay, now let's check for a continuity. Right, there is a continuity. Let's check for shorts. No shorts. Right, we are ready to go. Okay, let me check from here to the 19 volts. All right, sharp. Okay guys, it's fine, it's working just fine. I'm so happy. Anyway, before I go, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Anyway, sharp.